Binder Jetting Technology 3D Printing Gases Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global binder jetting technology 3D printing gases market size is $112,548.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 27% from 2024 to 2031. North America holds the major market of more than 40% of the global revenue with a market size of $45,019.28 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 25.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe holds the market of more than 30% of the global revenue with a market size of $33,764.46 million in 2024 and will expand at a CAGR of 25.5% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific holds the market of around 23% of the global revenue with a market size of $25,886.09 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 29% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America market accounts for more than 5% of global revenue and has a market size of $5,627.41 million in 2024. It will grow at a CAGR of 26.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa holds the markets, accounting for around 2% of the global revenue. The market was $2,250.96 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 26.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.